Well, good morning, clan. It is not morning, actually. It's 12:30 p.m. I've had a very busy morning. I had a conference call at 10 a.m. and then I did a live chat at 11 a.m. and it ran till just now, 12:30. And now I gotta upload the vlog and edit a game video and then get to work for the rest of the stuff. As promised to the people in the chat, here are the last stragglers of the chat. For those of you who joined us for the morning live chat, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. There'll be one later this afternoon. I'll do the same thing. Kind of give you, your 5 seconds of glory here on the screen. As long as you don't say anything bad. Otherwise, I cut you out. I cut you out! Well, Tiffany went and had lunch with her friends, and so I'm on my own for lunch today, which I'm totally fine with. I appreciate that Tiffany makes me lunch when she does. But sometimes you feel like, cooking your own food. And sometimes you just feel like going out and eat. I really want Chipotle. Like I said it yesterday, realized I haven't had Chipotle in a couple weeks now, and I'm like, ugh. But we went to Sam's Club and went shopping for food for the house, so I feel like obligated to at least eat it the next day. So, today I am eating a yakisoba noodle bowl. Yeah, that. And I am thawing out a piece of blackened salmon, which is just about ready. I'm so excited. I love fish, I love salmon, and this blackened seasoning is phenomenal. So I'm gonna nuke that real quick and then mix it in with my noodles and it should be fantastic. Okay guys, just wrapped up the second live chat of the day, and new record, 175 concurrent viewers at one time. That's a new record, 175, that's awesome. Pretty soon we'll be hitting 200. And as always, here's a quick view at the chat at the end. I'm going to do it at the end now. That way everybody has a chance to say bye, and then I'll just scan through it. So there we go. There's the people at the end of the live chat there. Thank you so much to all of you for joining me. And Tiffany joined me. It was awesome. But yay, bye, 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 bye. Make love some. Okay guys, as many of you have requested, finally getting a quick tour of my truck. We just got done picking up Sierra from Art Club, and let's get some light in here. There we go. So this is my 2015 Toyota Tundra. I love this truck. Here is the controls. It lights up real pretty. It shows a little version of my truck. It says Tundra, and there it is. It gives me my gas mileage. That's awesome. I love that. Here's it all lit up, very pretty, pretty, pretty. This, of course, the highlight of the truck is the touchscreen display. Bluetooth audio, I can connect to my phone, listen to my audio, listen to pretty much whatever I want. FM, which comes in HD, which is awesome. I definitely can tell the difference. XM, right now I have satellite radio. I think I have it for 3 months. I don't know. It'll expire eventually and I won't renew it. AM, and then of course if I want to throw a CD or if I have something plugged in via USB, or auxiliary, which really I'm hooked up to Bluetooth, why would I do that? But it's really cool because I can go to contacts, call people one touch to call people. There's also weather, so I can get current weather at my current location in Surprise, Arizona. It's nice, 64 degrees, mostly sunny. There's also traffic, which really all this does is just gives me a quick view of where traffic is at. So red lines obviously mean it's busy. Yeah, so that's really cool. Like I said, I love that because I can listen to my music whenever I want. Climate control, it does not have dual climate control, which I don't really care about that since she's never really in the car with me. Then I've got this center console here with 2 cup holders here, and then it's got this other thing that technically be a cup holder, but I think it's for change. I think you put change in there.
2 cards to do.
Yeah, like a can maybe. I don't know. I think it's for change, loose change. Which I also have this really cool thing. I love this. It took me a while to figure out what to do with that, but it's for cards. It fits cards perfectly. Look at that. All my my punch cards and scan cards and stuff. Very cool. I usually put my wallet right there. Let's see what else. On the steering wheel, I've got, this is controls for the radio. So I can control the radio, control the volume right here. And then this is for my phone, so I can call somebody, voice activated, that sort of thing. Up here, I've got a spot for my sunglasses and a thing for maps if I needed a map, which nowadays.
Map.
Why do you need a map? Yeah. Right here, I got garage door openers, compass, very cool. Center console, this thing is awesome. This thing is huge. Check this out. It's huge. You can put I could put a human head in there if I wanted to.
Oh my gosh.
And then there's another place to charge. I could charge something while it's in here. The only thing it doesn't have though is a lock. I wish it had a lock. Then it could be secure.
You could fit Victoria in there.
I could fit Victoria in there. You're right. don't want to smuggle her for some reason. Also underneath here, it's got a place for more cards, pens, and tissue. So like a little storage area. Very cool. It also has down here 2 spots for chargers. It also has a spot for USB and auxiliary down below there. And then of course in the back seat, it's got 2 cup holders for the kids.
And it came with these 2 kids too.
No, I brought those with me.
Oh.
But it's got plenty of room for the 3 of them. A few more years of growing, and then it might get a little crowded, but by then I might be getting ready for a new one.
There's the 3 of them.
Did I say 3 of them?
Yeah.
2 of them.
And there's a charger back here now.
There is a charger. So this thing has 4 charging stations, plus USB. It's got the 2 cup holders in the middle, and the doors have 2 spots for water bottles, which is awesome. I try to keep a water bottle in there at all times, but I drink them all. Under the seats, we have storage. These like cool, like locking storage bins.
Oh, wow.
I got a free sunshade with that one. But yeah, cool storage underneath there. Of course, in the back, they threw in a spray and bed liner when I bought the truck, so I got that done like a week after I bought it. And then it's got this nice little step ladder, which I didn't think I was going to use it. I was like, you know what? I don't need a step ladder. I'm tall enough. But let me tell you, that little half step there is pretty convenient. It's almost like a pair of stairs now. When the tailgate's down, it has a backup camera, which is awesome. Did not think that would be as handy as it is, but it is. It's very handy. And the tailgate has hydraulics. So look, you can just drop it like it's hot, and it just falls. And it's super easy to lift, one-handed, left-handed. It is the TRD 4x4 off-road edition, which means it's got burlier shocks, cooler rims. It's, I think, an inch taller, and I don't know, it has other features and stuff as well. I don't remember off the top of my head, but it's the off-road edition, so it's like manlier. And lastly, it's got this slide-out window in the back for the kids. Yay! Holy crap, you guys! We almost made it all the way through dinner without vlogging, and I know how much you guys love to see Tiffany's cooking. She made shake and bake chicken, a little leftover broccoli, a little bit of steamed green beans, and the part you don't see is Shell's mac and cheese, because we ate it all. Something worth pointing out is this barbecue sauce here my dad gave me. It's the Sting and Linger Ghost Pepper Barbecue Sauce. This stuff is amazing. It tastes really good, but it's really hot because it's got ghost pepper in it, which ghost pepper is, I don't know if it's the hottest pepper in the world. People say it is, but then there's some new one called a scorpion pepper or something like that. I don't know. It's one of the hottest peppers ever, and anywhere I go in any restaurant that has ghost pepper, it's ridiculously hot, like ridiculously hot. So that barbecue sauce is really good, but really hot.
I'm going to vlog, tell her how sorry we are. I replied, I'm going to tell her that we didn't mean to knock over her groceries. Hi! We just got done eating dinner, and my mom told us to come out here, and because she made us a sundae. How is it? It's good. It has ice cream, whipped cream, sprinkles, chocolate, and peanuts.
Where are your pillows?
Behind my bed.
Why do you have so many pillows that you don't use?
Well, this one right here is a normal pillow that I sleep with. And then all these down here are whenever I make my bed, which I don't make my bed very often. Mommy just raised my blanket out, and then it's normally I only do it whenever people are coming over. I don't really do it like just normal because no one's really looking at it.
So how do you know there's like not a bunch of spiders down there, like laying eggs in all the fur?
Because we don't have spiders in our house.
How do you know? The pillow's been down there a long time.
Because if I pull these out, I won't see any in there.
Oh really?
Yes. My company pillow I used to sleep with.
It's not comfy anymore.
Yes, it is. This thing. This heart. This periwinkle pillow.
Periwinkle?
The color of it. And this. Gosh, Daddy.
I was just waiting for you to do that.
I didn't want to fall. That's what I was scared of. I didn't want to fall.
Yeah, see, that's a lot of pillows.
I know.
That'd be one epic pillow fight, though. You have a lot of ammunition there.
I wouldn't even have to lay down to sleep with all these.
I know.
Just, like, kind of
I know. That's what I'm saying. I don't understand why you don't use them. Like, I would have them all on your bed, and you sleep there, but then the pillows just stay there. And you've got all these pillows. And then, of course, you could do that, too.
I'm gonna make it right now. You want to see what it looks like?
Ah, so that's what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah.
See, that's nice. That's cute. You should do that every day. And then when you're ready for bed, you just kind of move things around a little bit, get into the covers, and your pillows stay there.
Yeah. Like, the reason why this is matches well, because I got this from Tatiana. So, like, it was before she knew what my...
I still like it, though, because it's the only pink one. It works.
Yeah.
Like, it's all the same color schemes, and then there's that.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
I love this shirt. I got this from the Adventure Loot Crate. It's Link from Legend of Zelda with made out of a bunch of words, action words. It's a comfy shirt. It fits. I like it a lot. The cool thing about not having a corporate job is I get to wear more t-shirts, and so I'm actually busting out some of my Loot Crate, Nerd Block shirts that have been sitting in the closet forever because I actually get to wear t-shirts every day. So I fired up Bryce's lava lamp like 2 hours ago, and it did its initial explosion, which is always cool to look at. But he's going to bed, and it hasn't really done its full process, which, if I remember correctly, you're supposed to let it do its full process before you turn it off.
So what's going to happen if you turn it off now?
It's going to stick like that, and then it kind of messes it up. I'll leave it on, kind of as a nightlight for you, but I'll come back and turn it off eventually. That's so cool, dude. You sure I can't have it? I can't put it on my desk?
No.
I really want to put it on my desk. Please?
No, get your own.
Please?
Get your own.
Alright guys, it's 11 p.m. I'm going to attempt to edit the vlog. I'm feeling my eyes getting a little fuzzy. It's usually the time where I probably go to bed. But I'm going to attempt to edit the video so I can get it done tonight, hopefully, that it's ready to go tomorrow, and then my morning's more free. That's kind of my goal. I'm gonna try and take that approach. As always, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you tomorrow. Vlog on. I have to admit, I hate recording and editing the next day's vlog without reading the comments from the previous day's vlog. I have not read today's comments from today's vlog, so I'm very sorry. But in any case, thanks for watching this vlog. I appreciate it. And be sure to give it a thumbs up, because it helps. And leave a comment about something cool and fun and awesome, and I'll reply. On the screen, 2 more really fun videos. 1 year ago, Victoria and Uncle Travis came over to hang out. Mommy made fish tacos. They were awesome. 2 years ago, I took the kids to Playgrounds, which is a little cafe with a playground inside. It's pretty awesome, actually. And we need to go back there. I haven't been there in a long time. Really fun, cool little jungle gym thing the kids play on, and you have a good time. So check those out. The annotations are clickable on the screen if you're on a computer. If you're on a phone or a tablet, links are in the description down below. Click them, watch them, and I'll see you tomorrow.